All right, my friends, it's Dani here, and I'm in the second day tour in Kansas City, and we have a project that we are definitely considering buying. I'll explain you that in a second. I just want to show you. So there are 10 doors here, and we are still debating, or actually communicating with the seller, who's the builder, about the options of selling them as 10 separate doors, or 3 buildings, or one unit. It's broken down into 2 fourplexes and 1 duplex. So let me show you just a little bit. So this whole right here, from the end all the way here, this is one of the fourplexes. This is the second fourplex, and the duplex all the way up at the end. So it's all pretty much the same spec, same pitch, same roof, same everything. If I recall correctly, this fourplex is already fully occupied and rented, and the duplex over there and this fourplex are being finished. So you see there's actually 4 separate meters for electricity. See egress window, or egress or well for a window in the basement. We're probably going to walk down. There's one over there. There is definitely another one over here. They're all one car garage. So I think this is how it works. So okay, so that helps understanding a little bit. So there's 2 units here and 2 units on the other side. So there's maybe so it's all shared wall in the middle, making it one side of the other. So 2 units on one side, 2 units on the other, 2 units on this side, 2 units on the other, and 2 more units. Combined 10 doors. Okay.